Alright, so I'm going to try and do a quick overview on how to replace your engine harness, which is this guy right here. I got this from FCP Euro. It was really quick shipping. It's Tuesday. No, it's Wednesday. I ordered this stuff on Sunday. It's here already and I just paid for economy shipping. Part number, staring right at this. Let me try and figure out what model year this guy is. This says, down here. This is a 410 manufacture date, has an N55. So yeah, there you go. So what's linked to this engine harness? I'm guessing these, focus. These I'm guessing are your direct injection plugs. This is for your coil, and these are your grounds. So the grounds I'm gonna probably wrap individually because each coil shares a ground. But like all these wires I can just wrap around, and all these guys I can wrap around. I'm using the capsaicin tape by Honda for this just in case. Also this stuff right here that's exposed I'm going to wrap around the whole plastic just to be extra safe. I also got these guys, which are the ultrasonic repellers. So there's a light and there's the ultrasonic sound, and that should hopefully also scare away the rodents. Anyway, back at this position again. If you can't get here, probably not the best idea to do this job because it is super simple. It takes 10 minutes to take everything apart. I guess what else I'm doing? Spark plugs. I'm doing that. This is what they look like close up. They look healthy to me. Anyways, let's go over on top of the engine bay because I'm short and show you where this harness connects to. So you have the harness right here. It's this bolt right here is for your intake pipe, so the air box down to the turbo cold side. I think it goes to the intercooler or whatever, I don't really know, but it goes down that way first. So that bolt comes off and the pipe comes out, and then there's not really much else holding this on because you gotta look back here past this loom. You see that Torx right there? That's the only other bolt holding this harness on. There is some type of like wires harness bridge to Torx over there that you have to remove prior to getting to this point. So you got that. You gotta undo all your DI plugs and your ground and all that stuff, and then the harness just loops around down there, which is this one right here. These two wires, or these two looms that are illuminated right now, those two are the ones that go to the harness, and then that is the plug right there, that black box. Now let's go back to the harness itself. I'll show you how to get this guy off. So again, those two wires, the two looms, go to this black box, and this is your harness plug. Super simple. Let's see if I can do it one-handed, but you just you pinch it and then it slides off. It's one of those things. So if you get this guy loose and off, it should just pop out itself, and then once you get it on, snug it on, pull it in, or push this guy in, it's going to suck the plug in. It's one of those super simple slide plugs from BMW. Okay, so let's take a look at Honda's capsaicin tape. It looks like a dead mouse, but doesn't actually kill them. It's just really spicy capsaicin, so apparently they don't like the taste of it. This is the new harness. This is how it looks like. Wrapped everything. I'm not going to do like this little part. Just hope for the best in that case. But like the major parts all covered up because this is what a stock harness looks like. Hoping this all works. It's a lot of effort, so hopefully I get some return. And here is a look at everything installed with the repellent thing working. You just saw those light flashes. There you go. Here's the harness all buttoned up. So the engine cover goes on top of that. Harness I put it right here because this is where the rodents were, so I'm hoping that if the light's flashing and they're trying to climb up this way, they're not going to do it. So got that going on. The power wire goes this way along the hood cable and then into the positive battery terminal and the ground. The ground one is kind of long, so I wrapped it around this reservoir. I think this is the power steering reservoir, but looks a little ghetto, but it also looks as clean as it's really gonna get. So full install, there you go. So thank you guys for watching.